Hi there. On the last video I put out, I showed how I did my bandsaw upgrade, and I'm still thrilled with it, love it to death. But I forgot to add some information that some of you might think is important. I forgot to mention the price, where I got it, and why I got it there. Now, I buy an awful lot of things from Amazon.ca, but I've noticed that quite often the price on .ca is a lot more than on Amazon.com. And this is one of those cases. Most of the time when I want something and it's cheaper on Amazon.com, they won't send it to Canada. In this case they did, and it was half the price of buying it on Amazon.ca. But since releasing the video, I was informed by our friend Bowern that you can get it on Lee Valley. And I don't know why I didn't think of trying Lee Valley. That's my favorite place to shop for woodworking equipment. Anyway, on Lee Valley, it's $229, which is less than I paid, and at this particular moment, shipping is free. Now, if you miss the date, which is only 2 days away when that expires, they do have it occasionally, so you can subscribe to their newsletter and they'll let you know whenever that happens again. And I just thought it was worth bringing to your attention, particularly for the Canadian viewers, of course. So, I hope that helps out somebody. Don't mind saving money when I can. So thank you for joining me, and I hope you have a great day in your shop. Be safe. Take care now, and I hope you come back next time.